Creating wooden furniture and decoration pieces holds immense significance in achieving a completely beautiful and stylish home makeover, as it encapsulates the essence of craftsmanship, sustainability, and timeless design. Wood, as a material, has an intrinsic warmth and character that can transform a space, making it feel inviting and cozy while simultaneously reflecting the personal style of its occupants. The natural variations in grain patterns, colors, and textures found in different types of wood add depth and interest to interior design, allowing homeowners to incorporate unique elements that tell a story. By selecting wooden furniture and decorative items, individuals can infuse their homes with a sense of authenticity and craftsmanship that is often lacking in mass-produced alternatives. Each piece crafted from wood embodies the skill and artistry of the maker, creating an emotional connection that enhances the overall aesthetic of the home. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden furniture and decoration pieces ideas for styling modern home makeover. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of creating wooden furniture and decorative pieces also aligns with the growing trend of sustainability in interior design. As people become more environmentally conscious, there is a burgeoning appreciation for materials that are renewable and eco-friendly. Wood, when sourced responsibly, offers a sustainable option that not only reduces the carbon footprint, but also supports local artisans and the economy. By choosing wooden furnishings, homeowners can make a conscious choice to invest in quality products that will last for years. Rather than disposable items that contribute to waste. This ethos of sustainability resonates deeply with contemporary values, allowing individuals to create spaces that reflect not only their personal taste, but also their commitment to the environment. In addition to sustainability, wooden furniture and decor provide versatility in design, seamlessly fitting into various styles, from rustic and farmhouse to modern and minimalist. The natural beauty of wood complements a wide range of color palettes and materials, making it an ideal choice for diverse interior themes. For example, a sleek walnut dining table can serve as a stunning centerpiece in a modern kitchen, while reclaimed wood shelves can add a touch of rustic charm to a contemporary living room. This adaptability allows homeowners to experiment with different design concepts, enriching their living spaces and enabling them to curate environments that are uniquely their own. Moreover, the tactile quality of wood enhances the sensory experience within a home. The warmth of wooden surfaces invites touch, creating a cozy atmosphere that encourages relaxation and comfort. This sensory appeal is particularly significant in spaces where families gather, such as living rooms and dining areas. Wooden furniture, such as a handcrafted coffee table or an elegantly designed dining set, not only serves practical purposes, but also fosters connections between individuals. The act of gathering around a wooden table for meals or sharing stories over coffee brings a sense of togetherness that is deeply rooted in human experience. In this way, wooden furnishings become more than just functional items. They become integral components of family life and home memories. Creating wooden furniture and decor also provides an opportunity for self-expression and customization. Homeowners can engage in the design process, selecting specific woods, finishes, and styles that resonate with their personal aesthetic. This level of involvement allows individuals to create pieces that are not only functional, but also meaningful. For instance, a custom-built bookshelf designed to fit a specific space can reflect the homeowner's love for literature and art, serving as a statement piece that showcases their interests and passions. Additionally, incorporating personal touches, such as carvings or unique hardware, can further enhance the individuality of each piece, transforming standard furniture into cherished heirlooms that carry personal significance. Furthermore, the significance of wooden furniture extends to its durability and longevity. Unlike synthetic materials that may degrade over time, high-quality wood can withstand the test of time, aging gracefully and often improving in appearance as it develops a patina. This durability makes wooden furnishings a wise investment, as they are less likely to need replacement compared to cheaper alternatives. Homeowners who choose well-crafted wooden pieces can enjoy the benefits of their investment for years, creating a sense of stability and permanence in their living spaces. This enduring quality resonates with the desire for a stylish home makeover that is not only visually appealing, but also practical and sustainable. The artistry involved in creating wooden furniture and decor also deserves recognition. Skilled artisans pour their expertise into each piece, employing traditional techniques that have been passed down through generations. This dedication to craftsmanship results in unique designs that showcase the beauty of the wood while ensuring functionality. Homeowners who appreciate the artistry behind wooden furniture are more likely to value the stories and techniques that accompany each piece, fostering a deeper connection to their living environment. This appreciation for craftsmanship elevates the overall design of the home, as it reflects a commitment to quality and a celebration of the handmade. In a world increasingly dominated by technology and mass production, the significance of creating wooden furniture and decor serves as a counterbalance, reminding us of the importance of human touch in design. The process of selecting, crafting, and incorporating wooden pieces into home decor allows homeowners to reconnect with their living spaces on a personal level. This connection not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the home, but also contributes to a greater sense of well-being and contentment. By surrounding themselves with thoughtfully designed wooden furnishings, individuals create environments that nourish their souls and reflect their values. Additionally, wooden furniture and decoration pieces can significantly enhance the overall ambience of a home. The natural beauty of wood has the power to soften harsh lines and create a sense of harmony within a space. For instance, incorporating wooden accents into a predominantly modern or industrial decor can introduce warmth and balance, making the environment feel more welcoming. The versatility of wood allows it to serve as a unifying element, tying together disparate design features and fostering a cohesive aesthetic. This ability to enhance the overall ambience is particularly valuable in creating spaces that promote relaxation and comfort. Essential components of a truly stylish home. The significance of creating wooden furniture and decoration ideas for a complete home makeover lies in its ability to blend sustainability, artistry, and personal expression. Wooden pieces not only contribute to the aesthetic appeal of a space, but also foster connections, promote well-being, and support environmentally conscious living. By choosing wooden furnishings, homeowners can create stylish, meaningful, and lasting environments that reflect their personal style and values. In this way, The act of crafting and incorporating wooden furniture into home decor becomes a transformative experience, enriching both the living space and the lives of those who inhabit it. The timeless beauty and enduring quality of wood serves as a reminder of the power of craftsmanship and the importance of creating homes that resonate with authenticity and warmth. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden furniture and decoration pieces ideas for styling modern home makeover. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.